Good afternoon, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing so you do not miss all my videos that I post weekly. Yes, welcome all. And today I'm gonna do a bloom technique using an 8-inch round, and this paint that you see here is my cell activator. It's a mixture of 1 part titanium white and 3 parts Floetrol. For my cell activator, I added this pre-stained Minwax pre-stained conditioner, wood conditioner. So that is what makes it really webby. It looks very webby once you spin the art piece. And for my white base, I'm gonna use this out of a can. Is I don't know if you can see, but it is Satin Enamels from Minwax. So before I continue, I want to thank you again. Please, thank you so much for joining me. And again, I mentioned that I'm gonna be using an 8 inches round canvas. And I also mentioned that the other day that I got another Lazy Susan, a smaller one. So yeah, so without further ado, we are going to start spinning this thing and see how it's gonna turn out. And just to let you know, I am going to do two of these rounds in one video, so this might be a little bit long, but not too long. I'll try to time lapse some parts. And again, I'm doing voiceovers, so because when I did the video, my children were playing video games and there was too much noise in the background. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the white on the canvas as usual. And again, I am using it straight from a can. I'm not even diluting it or anything. So I'm not sure how this is gonna work out, but hopefully it will. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it, and then layer the colors and spin. And from here on, I am going to put you on a time lapse, and we'll come back when this one is done, and as I start the other one, and kind of talk about the first one, how it turned out and everything. It's going to turn out nice, but I wanted to do a 8 canvas, 8 inches round, and also another 10 inches round, with different colors, of course, so you can tell me which one you like best once they're all done. Okay, great. Enjoy the video and the music, and I will talk to you. I will touch bases with you as we progress with the project. Great. Thanks again for being here. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. And guys, before we continue, I just wanted to mention that this technique is was invented by Sheleeart. Shele, thank you so much. just wanted to try this technique and see how it would turn out. The colors that I put down, the first one was yellow, the second one was turquoise, and this one, the one I just put down, is gold. That's 24 karat gold. And then I reapplied the yellow because I wanted it to be a little bit more on the sides. Okay, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add the white, the cell activator in the middle, and then when I add it on there, then I'll blow in straight in the middle, and after blowing out the paint, the colors, then I will spin it, and it should bring out some type of a design. So that is how the bloom technique with the rounds kind of work. You pour the colors, you pour the cell activator, and then you blow right in the middle of it. If you have a small blow dryer, you can actually kind of blow the colors from the middle out to make the just make sure that your blow dryer, or it's not too close to the middle, because it's gonna splatter the paint all over. And once you get the cells going, then go ahead and spin it to the end, and then yeah, so just watch and see what happens. We are doing this together, first time. We'll see what happens. Great, thank you for watching. Here we go. I like it. I like the way it turned out. Look at this. It is beautiful. I like those colors. The only thing I would change next time on this one is to put a little bit less yellow and more of the turquoise. But I love it. I love it. I love it. Leave a comment. Tell me how you like it. I will go ahead and get started on the other one. And the only thing I will change on the other one is the size of the canvas. It's gonna be a 10 round. It's gonna be a little bit bigger. And also, instead of the turquoise, I am going to use a blue, a phthalo blue. So that is the only two things I'm gonna change. And the yellow and the gold I will use, and the white I will use the white in the middle as well. But also the base white, same thing. It's going to be this Minwax Satin Enamels. What I'm doing right now is just blowing the bubbles out. And again, same thing. Lay the colors down. Yeah, just go ahead and spread the paint to the sides, of the canvas, and then I'll go ahead and lay down the colors. And again, as I mentioned, I am going to replace the turquoise with blue, and we'll see how it turns out. Yeah, so this is the Minwax Satin Enamels. Again, we'll come back and I'll let you know how it turns out. I'll show you once it's done. really well. I love it. I love the colors. The bright blue is just so beautiful. Here's a close-up. What do you guys think? I love it also. So I am going to go ahead and finish the video, and once they dry, I will bring them both and show you how they turned out. Again, the first one was 8 round, and the second one is a 10-inch round. So they both turned out really well. And again, I always surprise myself. First time tries, most of them turn out really great. Thanks again, and I'll see you at the end. Let's start with the first one and zoom in to look and see how it turned out. It's beautiful. I love it. The colors are really nice and brilliant. And the second one, actually, I do love this more because it's got those bold, deep colors like the blue and then gold. They're just so deep and beautiful. Yeah, so this is how they both turned out. I love them. I am going to put them both in my Facebook shop. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family, and God bless. Bye.